And for those wondering when the deadline for the PETSCII competition that is going to start in 6 minutes is, the deadline for the PETSCII competition is now. If someone screams like, oh, I'm still uploading, it's okay. I'll give you 1 more minute.
Alrighty, that was the Home Computer Museum. As said, never ask your museum director to explain you some things, it takes a while, but still very impressive. And as said, you have to actually see and visit this place in order to experience it in full. The pictures don't do it justice, but yes, all those machines are on, and yes, you can fiddle and play with them, and you can actually break them, but please don't. It's not a nice thing to do. So we are coming up with the compos, and up next is PETSCII. Deadline was 2 minutes ago, so you better get your things uploaded. Well, there's no remote entries here, so why am I saying this? Well, because I have to fill the 2 minutes of time blabbering, which is what we do over here. So, yeah. Hello and welcome to the stream. This is X2024. If you are watching on Scenesat, hello. If you're watching on Twitch, hello. If you're watching on Transmission64 Twitch, hello. If you want to take part in the chat, we are putting the Transmission64 Twitch chat in here. If you don't want to, use any other means. And later we will also put these recordings on YouTube, the Transmission64 YouTube channel. That is the music competition from yesterday is already available there, should you want to rewatch it later on today. Yeah, let's do a bit of hall view and some music, and then we will start with the graphics compo. As always, I'm an arrogant bastard. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll come back after, well, you know, the rest of the festivities.
In a couple of minutes, the PETSCII competition is going to start. Deadline for the graphics competition will be at the end of the PETSCII competition. Are you ready for some PETSCII? Let's get started with the PETSCII competition at X24. X marks the Spock by Sande from Hokuto Force. And that was X marks the Spock by Hokuto Force. Entry number 2, Call or Die by Heavyhead from Netfreakers and Boar's Head Crew. Don't forget to call the Boar's Head Tavern. Call or Die by Heavyhead. Entry number 3, Elf Girl by WBOchar from Triad. Elf Girl by Triad. Entry number 4, Zed's Dead by Honcho from Pretzel Logic and Atlantis. Zed's Dead by Honcho. Entry number 5, Futoristica by Drees from Amid. And that's Futoristica by Drees for my mid. Entry number 6, Ibex-24 Crew by Tom 3000 from the Ibex-Crew. Ibex-24 Crew. Entry number 7, Captain Cute by the user from Mayday. Captain Cute by the user from Mayday. Entry number 8, Nasty Catsy Devilisimo by Magic+Coaxcable from Nah-Kolor. And that was the final entry, Nasty Catsy by Devilisimo by Magic+Coaxcable from Nah-Kolor. Let's hear it for all participants. Now we'll have a short break of 23 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead with the graphics competition. Graphics competition deadline will be in 10-15 minutes. So if you're still uploading, please finish your upload now. Thank you.